Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can turn off TalkBack in Redmi. So to start, you will need to, learn how to properly navigate while in a TalkBack mode. So instead of just simply tapping at the app or function you would like to execute, you will need to first tap once to select it and then double tap to confirm. Now scroll down the device's settings here using 2 fingers instead of 1. Then select the additional settings category, tap on it twice to, enter it. From here, go for the accessibility, vision, TalkBack, and here switch off the use TalkBack toggle. For future reference, you may want to use more convenient and universal TalkBack shortcuts, which will allow you to more easily switch the TalkBack feature on or off. So let's switch on the shortcut, allow it, and here you have it. Now you can just from anywhere in the system tap on it to activate the TalkBack, or select it and tap on it twice to deactivate it. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.